Leo, look at me. Look at me. I need you back. I need you to come back to me, Leo, okay? Okay?
Hello, this is Ramon Perez.
Hi, I'm looking for a cat behavior specialist. My son thinks he's a cat, and I thought it was just a phase, but it's getting worse, and it just keeps going on. He's licking
Slow
himself.
down now. What exactly do you need from me?
I need my son back. That was really fast.
I take my business very seriously.
Oh.
May I come in?
Yes, can I offer you some lemonade?
Does that have gluten in it?
No?
Then no thanks.
Oh.
So this must be Leo.
Yes, it's not getting any better, you see. Can you help him?
Well, it's really nothing to be concerned about. I've seen this many times before, and you just need a couple hours to work out the kinks, and of course, complete privacy, if you will excuse us.
Of course.
Excellent.
Okay, so I'll just be,
Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Back, sit, down. Good. We finally understand each other.
I'm a cat.
No, you're not. Is someone a hungry kitty? So, are you a real cat?
I'm a cat.
I can't hear you.
I'm a cat.
I can't hear you!
I'm a cat.
Prove it.
I'm a cat.
No, you're not, Leo. You can't live like this forever. Can't even down this vitamin-fortified Atlantic whitefish fancy feast gourmet. And you know that's a feline favorite. Admit it.
Maybe I'm not a cat.
Maybe you're not a what?
Maybe I'm not a...
to be in love. Love, 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 love. I love you. Thank you so much. He's back. He's a real boy again. How much do I owe you?
Let's see. Okay. $13.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Can you break a 20?
Oh, of course. Always come prepared. There you go.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Call me anytime, day or night.